You ready? Hi, this is John Weber with New Use Energy. We are here today at Lakeside Golf Club in California, and we're spending some time with our maintenance crews. Come on around here and I'll give you a look inside. This is the Carryall 700 unit, and we've got our 100 amp hour, 48 volt battery down here inside. This has been a great battery for them. It gets them the range that they need, and as well allows them to bring it back even during lunchtime and get it charged up again. What's unique about this card, of course, is it has its own dump system, and this is a 12 volt. So they actually have a 48 to 12 volt converter inside to get this hydraulic pump running, but they also run a cart and a trailer on this system. So they are using this in a serious way every single day. It's never abandoned them, never left them behind. What they've noted is that even on a full day's work, they still have 40% of the battery left. So this is an extreme mileage battery that's getting these golf carts around where they need to do maintenance on a day-to-day basis, and only positive things have come out of this. So we really appreciate Lakeside participating with New Use Energy on this battery. If you'd like to learn more, give us a call. Check out our website at www.newuseenergy.com. We'd be happy to help you figure out what the right battery is for your golf.